told you, go out in the rain. When I felt that way, because you will be there, and every raindrop is a gift from you. You're the reason I believe that the rain is what I need. So I